Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for your love. Thank you for your support in this platform. I can't thank you enough. And to all the well wishers, all the loved ones, all the freedom fighters, friends to this platform, thank you so much. Thank you for always sharing this video. Thank you for always telling people about this platform. I can't appreciate you enough, but I say God bless you. So, my wonderful family, today I brought another one to your doorstep. You know, as usual, that progress news bring the world closer to your doorstep. So, my realistic people, today I brought another wonderful update. You guys know that 3 days ago I made a video about the release of Mama Biafra. Yes, so it was a talk of the town, it was a talk of the world. Everybody was talking about it. People were so happy. Do you know that that is his right, that he has not committed any crime known to law? No offense. Mama Biafra just went to the solidarity of his own son. Yes, I call him his son. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the son. He is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's mother. And for that reason, she had every right to be there. Just because she went to solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is June, about 3 months ago, and she was captured. Without no crime, she was detained for good 3 months before she totally got her freedom. And today, being the visitation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by the legal team, and Barrister Ejiofor made the world to understand, made Biafrans to understand, made the Biafra friends and well-wishers to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was so pleased today that his jaw all over him, that the news of the release of Mama Biafra gives him extra strength to carry on. Come on. He said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was so happy and delighted today. Now just imagine how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will feel seeing that, oh, my mom is released, and a lot of people fighting for the cause of Biafra that were held captivities, they still regain their freedom. It will be a total joy for him. Can you just imagine how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be feeling to hear that everybody he left behind, they are living in oneness, they are living peacefully, everything is going on, and especially the movement is still booming. People are not giving up already. Rather, we are winning more souls every day. Just imagine how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be so happy, delighted in hearing that. And again, just imagine the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, October 11 is the next court hearing. Just imagine the joy that will be in his face to see his people once again, to regain his freedom, and to come out to hear that people are doing well, to come out and hear that the movement is still going on as never before, to come out and know that his people still thirst for freedom. His people, they are still hungry. There is still hunger in the land for them to go, for him to come out to hear that his people has not given up. What a joy. Can you just imagine how that day will be? And right now, we are calling on everyone, we are calling on the world, we are calling on UN, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime. We don't see any reason why the federal government of Nigeria refused to release him, why the international body sent a memo to the federal government of Nigeria that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released unconditionally and immediately. But tell me, even when the UN Parliament sent the message, Nigeria government refused to hearken to the voice of the UN. So right now, we are not calling on the world, we are not bringing our petition known to the world again, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court on October 11, 2022. This is a tax that we must pay. This is a tax that we must pay to share the gospel, to share the news to every doorstep, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court again. And we are calling on the world that they should be so at alert to make sure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released on October 11th. Enough is enough. Now, when someone asks you what is the crime that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu commits, why is his right taken away from him? Why is he suffering? What will be the response? Now we just have to shift in one or two issues here that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed no offense known to law. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of conscience. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just wants his people to be free. There is hunger in the land. Nigeria is not working for anybody. Nigeria is only working for the Funanis. Nigeria is only working for the Kaba. Nigeria is not working for every other citizen. The people from southeastern part of Nigeria, known as Biafra, saying they want to go, they've been treated in the country as third-class citizens. In fact, of the issue is that nobody even cares about their ways of living. Nobody cares whether things are going on or going wrong or right. Nobody cares if these people are dying or not. When there is any problem in the southeastern part of Nigeria, they go to the governors because they know very well that the northerners, Abuja, the Kaba, controls the governors, controls the leaders in the southeastern part of Nigeria. This brought to the issues known that any problem that arose in the southeastern part of Nigeria, the governors, they are in support of it. Yes, whenever there is an issue, instead they settle these issues and hear the cry of the people, they will rather prefer going to Abuja or going to the Kaba to bring military men to deal with their people and to delete their people. Now tell me, who is that mother that we see his or her child falling into a pan of oil and still allow the child to be roasted or fried? No mother. But do you know that the leaders we are having in southeastern part of Nigeria, they don't care about the welfare of the people? When there is a problem, instead they tackle this issue amicably. They prefer going to the Kaba, and the advice the Kaba will give to them is to shoot, is to delete, is to kill. There is a lot of kidnapping that is going on right now in southeastern part of Nigeria. Nobody is safe. You can't walk freely the way you ought to walk just because things are not getting out of hands. So therefore, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court on October 11, 2022 because of too much atrocity in the land. That was why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu launched the Instant Security Network, and he said they should protect the land, properties and lives. So therefore, he has committed no crime, absolutely no crime, and we are calling on the federal government of Nigeria that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu peacefully, unconditionally and immediately. So my dearly beloved family, thank you so much for listening. Please share this audio, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.